Hi everyone, welcome back to another video.
In this video, I am going to share the recipe of a soft and moist pineapple tea time cake. You can either use fresh pineapple chunks or canned pineapple chunks for this recipe. If you are using canned pineapples stored in its own juice, then reserve this. If you are using canned pineapple stored in sugar syrup, you may need to reduce the amount of sugar used in the recipe slightly. If you are using fresh pineapple, you can extract some juice and use it. If you do not have additional pineapple juice to be used, you can replace it with milk, but the cake may not have an intense flavor of pineapple. Into a bowl, sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and mix well. Sift it 2 to 3 times and mix well. Keep this aside. This ensures that the cake turns out light and airy. In another bowl, add half cup of oil and half cup of sugar and beat it for a minute till the sugar blends it. It is okay if it does not dissolve into the oil completely. Now add 2 large eggs at room temperature. Add eggs one at a time and beat between each addition. Now the eggs and sugar, everything is well combined. Add the sifted flour in parts and gently fold until it has been incorporated. Grind 1/3 cup of pineapple chunks into a paste using mixer grinder. And if you are using canned pineapple, reserve the juice in which the pineapples are canned. We can use this into the recipe. Now add the pineapple paste into this and fold. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or pineapple essence and fold in. Add 1/4 cup of reserved pineapple juice and gently fold in. By now the batter will be loose or thin, but this is okay. Grease an 8 into 4 inch loaf pan with butter and line it with parchment paper or butter paper. You can also grease the pan and dust it with flour if you don't have baking paper. And pour the batter in the prepared tin. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Tap the cake tin twice to release excess air bubbles. Bake the cake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes or until A toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Remove the pan from the oven and place it on a cooling rack for 5 to 10 minutes before inverting the cake on. Peel off the baking paper and allow the cake to cool completely before slicing. Run a knife around the sides of the loaf pan and invert the cake onto the wire rack. The pineapple tea time cake is now ready. Slice it and enjoy along with tea or coffee. Do try out this recipe and comment below your feedbacks.
That's all for today's video. Hope you all like this recipe. Please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.